Looking for a compact gaming keyboard that doesn't sacrifice performance? The ROG Falchion NX is a 65% wireless mechanical keyboard designed to elevate your gameplay while saving precious desk space. It's the first ROG keyboard to feature wireless Aura Sync RGB lighting, making your setup both sleek and vibrant. What sets the Falchion NX apart is its smart layout. Despite its small 306mm length, almost the size of a 60% keyboard, it includes dedicated arrow and navigation keys. That means you get all the essential functions of a full keyboard without the bulk, perfect for gamers who want a streamlined setup without missing any controls. Connectivity won't slow you down either. This keyboard offers near zero latency with its 2.4 GHz RF wireless connection, plus it can switch to wired USB mode whenever you need. And with up to 450 hours of battery life, you'll spend more time playing and less time charging, making it reliable for long gaming sessions or LAN parties. The feel of your keys matters, and ROG nails it with durable PBT double-shot keycaps. These mid-height caps reduce key wobble and offer a premium tactile experience that lasts. Gamers have praised the sound profile of the blue switches, less sharp and more hollow, providing satisfying feedback without the usual high-pitched noise. Another thoughtful touch is the transparent polycarbonate keyboard cover. It protects your keyboard during transport and can double as a diffuser for the RGB lighting underneath when placed beneath the keyboard. This adds a subtle glow that enhances your gaming atmosphere without overpowering your space. If you're after a wireless keyboard that balances compact design, full functionality, and long-lasting performance, the ROG Falchion NX is worth a look. It's built for gamers who want convenience without compromise, blending style and substance in a way that fits any setup. Ready to upgrade your gaming gear? The ROG Falchion NX offers a powerful, portable solution that keeps you in control and connected. Try it when you're ready to experience wireless freedom without sacrificing the keys you need.